Hello guys, this is Green Tree Gangsters, and today I'll be showing you how to download free themes, especially dynamic themes on the PS3 because they are a little bit expensive on the PlayStation Store. So this is how to download them for free. This is completely legal. This is legit. Nothing there's no involved hacking or modding into this. Yeah, so you're gonna need some things before doing this. You're gonna need a computer or PC. Um, you're gonna need PlayStation, obviously. You're gonna need something to navigate, obviously, like a controller or keyboard or a mouse, and you're gonna need a USB flash drive, um, yeah, or an external hard drive or anything that you can use to store stuff and transfer it from your computer to your PS3. I have a flash drive, USB flash drive. The limit out, no, the minimum requirements I would have to say is at least 2 gigabytes. Some things can be really big and can be more than 2 gigabytes, but I have a 8 gigabytes, so I don't really need to worry. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do is plug your USB flash drive in your computer. And when you plug it in, you're gonna want to go to Start Computer, and you can see it's just gonna say USB flash drive, but you're gonna rename it. I named it to be Atman's USB. So when you double click on it, it's gonna be empty. So what you're gonna want to do is make a folder called the PS3. Make a folder called PS3. Then at PS3, you're gonna want to double click it, like go to this new folder and name it PS3. All caps. Right? Anything that you name is all caps. Double click. Then you're gonna make another folder called theme. Forget about the save data. Forget about that. But just go to theme. Right click new folder, name it theme, again all capital letters, and in that folder you're gonna put all, let me just delete this, sorry, you're gonna want to put all your themes in here. Make sure they are PDT by P3T files or PDK files. Make sure they starts with a P. That's all I would say. Alright, so now I'm going to show you where to download the themes. Pretty simple website. So you're going to want to go to www.ps3-themes.com right there. And this website has tons of themes for the PS3. Again, completely legal, legit. So you can download. You can see these are the new themes right here that they usually start off with. So to download the dynamic themes, you're gonna want to go over here, click dynamics, and you see they have the categories right here. Basically anything you want, you have right here. Click on dynamic themes, and again another dynamic themes. You guys might be wondering, what are dynamic themes? Dynamic themes are themes that are not free. Here they're free, but on the PlayStation they're not free, and they're really good though. Like you can see here, they have their own icons. In the background it might move a little bit, like over here for example the American flag, it might move the flag or something like that. This one would be a cartoon or something. So the dynamic themes are really good. Some of them are really funny. Alright, let me just go to gaming. Some gaming themes. And again, everything is free on here. If you guys find better websites, please tell me, because this is the best one I found so far. You can see there's a Battlefield 3 theme. Oh, that's weird. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to my So after you download them, for example, I'm gonna download this theme. So what you're gonna want to do is click on the title right here. Click download here, which is right there. Yeah, it's kind of tiny. So it's gonna say if you have like Internet Explorer, just click run for mine. It downloads automatically. You can see it's a P3T theme, so those themes are always good. The P3T dot P3T, that's the format of the file. And again, this file you can't open it because it's only, you gotta have a specific folder open it. So after that, let me just go to my downloads. That's where it always saves. So downloads, you're gonna want to take this, drag it into your theme folder. Click on that. What the? Let me just drag it in here. Copy the theme. It just say copying. And you can see, let's see how big this file is. Yeah, 15 point. Wait, let's see. Properties. It doesn't say. Yeah, bytes, megabytes. So you definitely need um at least 1 gigabyte USB flash drive. So after you're done, I'm gonna quickly go to my PS3 screen, and I'll show you what to do after that. Alright, hello guys, I am back on my PS3 screen. Continue the tutorial. What you're gonna want to do is take your USB flash drive out of your computer and plug it into your PS3. Sorry guys, my voice, I had to add my voice to this for some reason. It didn't record. I don't know why, but yeah. So take your USB flash drive from your computer. I recommend you safely remove it again because it just safely. Why would you want to risk something? So safely remove it. So after that, if you wanna check that your PS3 recognize your USB, you're gonna wanna go there. If it just didn't say anything, that means it didn't recognize. For mine, I just forgot to plug it in. I want to go plug it in right now. So you can see it should recognize it as a USB device. So after that, you want to go to settings, uh, theme settings, theme, and you guys might not see the theme, but you gotta go like all the way to the top, and it should say install right there. So after you click that, it's gonna say where you wanna select the storage media device. Click there, then click your theme. That's why it has to be a P3T or a PDK theme, PDK format file, because the PS3 doesn't recognize any other types of files. So just if you want to find out if your PS3 is gonna run the theme or not, just look at the format. So click on that. So basically your PS3 is installing the theme right now. After that, you're going to want to go to theme, and there you go, Hyper Desk Deep Shadow. Click on that, apply, and yes. So again, this is like a slideshow theme. It looks pretty good. I might decide like to keep it or something. You can see how good the themes are. Nice. Alright guys, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.